Welcome to my brief Michael Caine drawing tutorial. He is one of my favourite actors and his profile makes an interesting draw. To start, I've squared and transferred the basic pencil outline to the paper surface. I've also used a metal stylus for the lighter areas near the ear. As this will be darkened substantially, this will ensure that the hairs stand out. I've also glazed the whole drawing with a B pencil followed by a 6B in the heavily shadowed background areas. This will effectively create contrast in a more 3D image that kind of pops off the paper. I've also used a paper stump for blending throughout the process. While the strong shadows look a bit extreme at the moment, they will soften as we shade the rest of the face. Again, I'm using a stylus on the hair, on the sides and top of the head to define them, as those areas are darkened and shaded later on in the drawing. Yes, that's a makeup brush. It's a great tool for blending the initial pencil layers. The eyes are the key to bringing the drawing to life and should reflect the personality of your subject. I pay particular attention to their size, contrast and the position in the eye sockets. I always draw the darks of the facial features first, as they will guide me to a more accurate tonal variation as the drawing progresses. The nose here, as we continue, casts a particularly strong shadow across the left side of Michael Caine's face. The drawing is now starting to take shape as the mid-tones will be added very soon. I'm using a very light pressure with a 4B pencil. I'm also using a mono zero eraser to create the reflected highlights across the face and a white marker for the very bright highlights in the pupils. With the basic structure and shading set, we can now add some finishing touches and the important detail that will bring this portrait to life. The hair and eyebrow strands are a mixture of stylus indents, white marker and the mono zero erasing. I think we are nearly there, and I'm becoming quite happy with the result. While this is a 7.5 minute time lapse, the actual drawing itself took probably closer to 4 to 5 hours, and I will be posting a more detailed tutorial on this drawing over the next few weeks. Thanks for viewing my channel, and I hope you enjoy the process. Have a great day.